Hello, today we're going to learn the 3-octave A major scale. Please pay attention to the key signature, which is 3 sharps, F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. Now we're going to do a very slow version. Ready? Go. So far, we went up to 6th position. The last position we shifted to is the D, E, F sharp, G sharp, A. Okay. Now we're going to do a descending scale. Now I will play continuously from the beginning, ascending and descending scale. Ready? Go. Hello everyone, we're gonna learn the excerpt for the audition. Before we start, we need to look at the key signature, which is in C major. So there's no sharps or flats. Okay, ready, go. Now we're going to play slightly faster. Make sure you pay attention to the bowing. Each measure is divided into 2 bows, and also make sure you practice the notes evenly. Hope this helps.